is Anya, and today I really want to make some mummy cake pops. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Use some leftover cake. I had some cake left over from my video when I hid a pumpkin in a cupcake. I'll link that video. Crush the leftover cake. I used a wooden spoon. Add in 8 ounces of cream cheese and mix until well combined. Form balls about a tablespoon size and place it on a baking tray. Place the baking tray in the fridge for half an hour. Melt some white chocolate, and with some popsicle sticks, dip it into the white chocolate and then into the cake ball. Repeat this process for all the cake balls. Place back in the fridge for 20 minutes. Melt some white chocolate and dip your cake pops into the white chocolate. Some of the cake balls came off of the stick, so if you have any tips or trick on how to avoid that, please leave it in the comment section down below. For the cake pops that broke off into the chocolate, I used a fork to scoop it out, and then I stuck the stick back in. Melt some more white chocolate and place it into a small piping bag and pipe stripes onto each ball. This is to represent the bandages of mummies. Dye some white chocolate red and pipe small dots onto the cake pops just to represent their eyes.